Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt, Kurt Financial Group, and today is Friday, March 21, 2025. And stocks are weak again this morning. A sell-off yesterday after the Fed announcement. Really didn't see anything that triggered it. I guess, there's the narrative out there on tariffs, and I'll come back to that. But this could set up for the fifth straight weekly loss for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, and it would also be 8 out of the 9 last weeks that the S&P and the NASDAQ have declined. So it's been a nasty environment, and the Mag 7, the Magnificent 7, Mag 7 are now being called the Lag 7, and clearly the NASDAQ has been, I think, the weakest index for the year. So, a lot of selling going on. Some things, working. Gold's above 3,000 for the first time ever per ounce. Also, bond yields continue to move lower. This morning, both the 2-year Treasury and the 5-year Treasury were below 4%. So, maybe that's signaling a recession or maybe less inflation, but interest rates are coming down. And, I think that you've got to be careful with the U.S. stock market here and, try to look at more defensive strategies and those type of approaches. It seems that everybody is really looking at the April 2 time for, the tariff news. So I think there's a possibility that if you get some positive news, either a further extension before the tariffs kick in, or some sort of trade deal or whatever, that the market could rally and rally strongly. But I think without that, there's kind of a lot of nervousness about April 2, and some other things going on with the U.S. stock market. I did a newsletter earlier this week and sent it out to some clients and friends. And if you want a copy of that, reach out to me. Call me, text me, email me. We'll get it over to you. Just talks about the tariffs, but I think there are some other issues of the markets and the economy adjusting to these the policies of the Trump administration. And it's a big adjustment, given some of the things that are going on. And I think that's spilling into this stock market and the bond market. And also, we did a piece on some income strategies and income products and funds. And if anybody wants to take a look at that, let us know too, and we'll get that over to you. So that's it for this week. Have a good weekend. Again, reach out if we can help. I think it's a difficult environment, and I don't know if it's going to get much easier right away. So if we can help, reach out to us. Have a good weekend, and I'll be back on Monday. Thank you again. Goodbye.